Hi everybody. I'm going to explain to you how I make paper. I'll take some old newspaper and wad it up just kind of loosely like that, and I'll do about 5 or 6 pieces in there. Then I'll add water to about there. Then I'll add some detergent, about a half a cup, and then I'll stir that around with my hand for a while. Then I'll take this blender guy and I'll blend it with them, okay, turn it into a mulch. Then I'll take another bucket that I have just like this, but I've drilled holes in it along the sides and on the bottom. And I'll pour this into that bucket, into the kitchen sink, and let it drain into the sink. The other thing I'll do is I'll put down like a bandana or some cloth over the sink drain so that these fibers don't go into my plumbing. Next thing I'll do is I'll put this mash back into this bucket that has no holes, and then I'm going to add some softener to it. That's going to help it bind together. And I'll let that sit for a couple minutes. Then I'll put it back in the other bucket with holes in it and let that drain out. I'll add a little water. Then I'm going to put it back into this bucket again, and I'm going to add about half a cup of bleach. And I'm going to let that set for about a half an hour. Then once again, I'm going to pour this mash into the bucket with holes. Then I'm going to add water, and I'm going to get out some of that bleach. And then, last but not least, I'm going to put it on the felt. And I buy, felt at Walmart. It's pretty affordable. Anyway, let me turn this over and give you a good idea of what it looks like. So anyway, I'll put on a dollop here and there and so forth, and then I'll put it out in the sun and let it dry. The last thing I'll do is I'll take some Elmer's glue and I'll mix it half and half with water, and then I'll paint this mixture onto the dried pieces of paper. That will help give it a hardened surface so that it can accept glue or anything else. So in short, that's how I make paper.